Patrick are about to build some paper aeroplanes, and you won't believe what they're going to be like. SpongeBob, Patrick and the paper aeroplanes. Right, I better put this away. Put it in here. There we are. And now I better put this away as well. Put it in here. Very good. Now, what shall I play with today? Oh, what is this? Oh, it's my toy aeroplane. I remember playing with this when I was a little boy. Oh, that was great fun. And now I can play with it again. Okay, since Patrick and Gary are still sleeping. Right, I have to push it backwards. And here we go. Woo, amazing. One more time. Here we go. Woo! Oh, that's amazing. Oh, what a nice little toy aeroplane this is. Oh, what? Wait, what was that? Oh, Patrick, are you awake? Yes, SpongeBob. Oh, okay, I'm coming. And I'll bring my aeroplane as well. He'll love this. Oh, hello, Patrick. You're awake. Yes, SpongeBob, I'm awake now. Nice to see you this morning. Yes, nice to see you too, Patrick. Look at what I've got here, Patrick. Oh, it's a toy aeroplane. Yes, it's really amazing, Patrick. I played with it this morning. Oh, it's amazing. Hey, SpongeBob, let's make an aeroplane together. Oh, yes, that's a good idea, Patrick. Oh, can we make an aeroplane that flies, SpongeBob? Yes, Patrick. All we need is some paper. Oh, well, we know where there's paper, Patrick. Yes, SpongeBob. Come on. Here we are. Very good. See, Patrick, there is lots of old paper in this computer room. Yes, there is, SpongeBob. Oh, what's this on the computer? Oh, it's Mr. George. You are now watching a Mr. George video in a Mr. George video. I just hope SpongeBob doesn't realise that he is in my profile picture. Oh, look, Patrick! Mr. George has got myself in his profile picture! Oh, I'm in his profile picture! Oh, dang it! Okay, back to what we were doing, Patrick. So, we need some paper. Here we are. And there's yours, Patrick. Thank you, SpongeBob. Now we're going to make a paper aeroplane. So, fold the paper down the middle, Patrick. Okay. Now you need to fold the corners in at one end. Okay. Now fold those corners in again to make a point. Okay. Very good. And now fold the sides back like this, Patrick. Oh, there we are, SpongeBob. Yes, we're done, Patrick. Oh, and look, we've made paper aeroplanes. Oh, goody. Meow. Amazing. Let's see if they can fly, Patrick. Okay. Right, I'm going to take my paper aeroplane. I'm going to fly it over here. Here we go. Ready, steady, go. Woo! Here we go. Let's try it again. Woo! And one more time. Whee! Whoa! That was amazing. Your turn, Patrick. Okay, SpongeBob. I'm going to do a good hit. I'm going to do a good throw, I mean. Okay, here we go. Whee! Hey, let's do it again. Yes! Okay, Patrick, let's go and get our aeroplanes. Okay. Here's my aeroplane, which is cool. And here's my aeroplane in the playroom. That was amazing, Patrick. Yes, it was SpongeBob. Ha ha ha. Hey, Patrick, let's make a big paper aeroplane. That's a good idea, SpongeBob. And this aeroplane will fly even further than these planes. Yes, Patrick. Right, we'll need a really big piece of paper. Let's go. Aha! Here's a big piece of paper. Right, let's start making the aeroplane. Okay, there we are. Hey, Patrick, here's the aeroplane. Wow, it's a big white aeroplane. Oh, okay, Patrick, I'm going to throw it, and this is going to be really big. Here we go. Ready, steady, go! Woo! One more time. Woo! Oh, amazing! Well done, SpongeBob. Thank you, Patrick. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this episode of SpongeBob. Please make sure to come back next Saturday at 4 p.m. for another SpongeBob YouTube premiere. Meow, meow! Oh, Gary, you're awake. See you all then. Bye-bye.